Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a money transfer on the Western Union app. Let's get started. Before we begin, it's very important to know one thing. You can only cancel a transfer if its status is still in progress. If Western Union has already completed the transaction and the receiver has been paid, then canceling it is unfortunately no longer possible. Now, let's walk through the cancellation process step by step. First, go to the Western Union app or website and make sure you are logged into your account. On the main screen, look for the menu icon, which is typically 3 horizontal lines or a hamburger menu, and tap on it. From the menu that appears, select the option that says History or Transactions. This will show you a list of all your recent money transfers. Find the specific transaction you want to cancel from this list. Once you've found it, look to the right side of that transaction entry. You should see a button with 3 dots, which is the More Options menu. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. A new menu will pop up. Here, you should see the option to Cancel or Cancel Transfer. Tap on that Cancel option. The app will then guide you through confirming the cancellation. Please remember, the app interface might look slightly different depending on your country. But the general process of going to your history and finding the cancel option remains the same. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.